Hi everyone and welcome to another video. In this video I want to explain the difference between the two most frequently used Composer functions, which are update and install. I will also show you the importance of the composer.lock file. This tutorial is based on the previous tutorial where I created a Composer package and uploaded it to packages.org. Let's get started. So here's the package I created, and as you can see here, its version is 1.0.1. And now I want to create a new version of my package, and because I'm a very bad and clumsy programmer, I want to change this function here, and needless to say that anyone who relied on this function in previous versions will not be able to use it anymore. But I don't care because I'm very bad and clumsy. Okay, so just check my status here, and then commit new version. Yeah, sorry for the typo. Then I want to push origin master, right? Yeah, and I want to create my tag for my new version, which is 1.0.2 new version. Then I want to push my tags. Alright, so I push the tags, I push the version, and right. And you see here I have a new version here, and I want to set this version as my current version. Okay. So now we have two versions of the package, and they are incompatible with each other. Imagine now that we have a project that is relying on the version 1.0.1, and our new developer is installing the project. He runs composer install, and despite the fact that the current version is 1.0.2, he's still getting the version 1.0.1. And why is that? Because of the lock file. Let's open it. Composer.lock. So as you can see here, it is very clearly set that the version that we require is 1.0.1. However, if he runs composer update now, the version from the lock file will be overwritten by the latest version. So basically that's the difference between the two commands. Composer update will always bring you the latest version, and so it is potentially dangerous. Now let me just demonstrate another potential scenario. Imagine that we forgot to add the composer.lock file to our Git repository and it's not in the source code. So the installation looks like this: index.php composer.json. And if we were to run composer install now, we would get the latest version based on the configuration from the composer.json, which is 1.0.2. Now let me check it out in the browser. Okay, it says fatal error because, the greet function doesn't exist. In conclusion, I want to summarize it by saying that the composer install command will try to determine the package version using first the composer.lock file. And if the file doesn't exist, it will fall back on the configuration from the composer.json file. Whereas the composer update command will directly use the composer.json file configuration, so it is potentially dangerous. Okay, thanks for watching and see you in the next video. Bye.